Collaboration is woven into the very fabric of our community. It's our secret sauce. It's our core value. In fact, according to a report from Deloitte, organizations where collaborative approaches are a critical component of corporate strategy are 52% faster in executing initiatives. We agree. So it should come as no surprise that this week we are launching a new 2-year collaborative leadership program for all our MBA students. The program includes curriculum cases, alumni mentorship, executive briefings, team projects, and other hands-on learning opportunities. A collaborative leader at the UC Davis Graduate School of Management inspires others to achieve, builds trust, and brings positive energy, and is humble and willing to learn from others. Students who excel in the first year of the program can join an advanced program in their second year. They will be paired with a senior industry leader as a mentor. They will connect with leadership coaches. They will be encouraged to volunteer to lead student organizations. They will become a mentor to first-year MBA students. And they will select a community service project to contribute their expertise. This will culminate in a collaborative leadership certificate. Among many other great things we can say about our graduates, one of their qualities will be their ability to lead through collaboration.